In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Coda.io. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips to keep your workspace tidy and easy to navigate. Let's start at your Coda homepage. This is the main hub where you can see your workspaces, docs, and any recent activity. From here, look to the left-hand panel. You'll see the name of your workspace in that side menu. A workspace is essentially the shared environment where your team's docs live, so make sure you're in the correct one if you belong to multiple workspaces. Click on your workspace name to open its overview. Within this view, you'll notice a section labeled Folders. Folders help you group related docs so projects, teams, or topics stay organized. Right next to the Folders label, click View All. This expands the full folders view for that workspace, which makes it easier to see everything you already have and where your new folder will sit. Now look to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled New Folder, often with a plus sign. Click that. A prompt will appear asking you to name your folder. Choose a clear, descriptive name that reflects how you plan to use it, like a project name, a team name, or a time period. Consistency helps a lot here. For example, some teams prefix folders with a department or use short, meaningful tags. You can always rename a folder later, so don't stress if you're still refining your system. Once you've typed the name, click Create. That's it. The folder is now added to your workspace's folder list. You'll be able to see it among your other folders, ready to hold the docs you want to organize. If you're setting up a new structure, consider keeping names short and intuitive so teammates can find what they need quickly. A quick but important note, you need to be a doc maker in that workspace to create folders. If you don't see the new folder button, it likely means your role doesn't include this permission. In that case, reach out to your workspace admin or owner and ask for doc maker access. Once your role is updated, the button should appear and you'll be able to create folders as shown. And that's the process. Start at your Coda homepage, open your workspace, view all folders, create a new one, name it, and you're done. Keep your naming consistent and your workspace will stay clean and easy to navigate.